teach you moral science next lesson. Lesson number 13, the value of gratitude. Gratitude. What is meant by gratitude and why we need it? So let's see this lesson. Why importance of gratitude in our life and how we will handle it, how we will feel it. Let's see in this lesson with the help of story and many examples. Lesson number 13, the value of gratitude. Learn to be thankful for what you already have while you pursue all that you want. Let's see, students, some questions. First, are you aware of the importance of gratitude? See, three options is there. Yes, no, don't know. Are you aware of the importance of gratitude? Yes. Is expressing gratitude a good habit? Answer is yes. Do you use the word thank you very often? Tell me yes, no, don't know. Yes. Do you thank God for anything? What is the answer? Yes. Next, does gratitude help us somehow? Just think about it. Yes, the gratitude help us somehow. Next question, is gratitude related to love? Definitely is related to love, means yes. Is gratitude related to happiness? This answer also yes. Do you feel good when you express gratitude? Obviously yes. Okay, students. Now let's see the story. In this lesson, we will see about importance of gratitude. We should thank everyone to help and support in our life. For example, our teacher, parents and friends. Story name, The Gift of a Discipline. A young man, while roaming the desert, came across a spring. The water was crystal clear and he found it very tasty. The water was so sweet that he filled his leather water bag so he could bring some back to his master. After a 4-day journey, he presented the water to the old man. He took a deep drink, smiled warmly, and thanked his student lavishly for the sweet water. The young man returned to his village happy and satisfied. Later, the teacher let another student taste the water. He spat it out, saying it was awful. It apparently had become stale because of the old leather container. The student said to his teacher, "Master, the water was foul. Why did you pretend to like it? You could have told him the water was not good." The teacher replied, "You only tasted the water. I tasted the gift. The water was simply the container for an act of gratitude, and nothing could be sweeter." The vibration of gratitude attract more positive things into our life. Gratitude. Gratefulness is a novel virtue we need to develop. There are hundreds of people around us who need to be thanked for their support and help. When we fail to thank others for their assistance, we fail to be good human beings. In fact, gratefulness should not be limited to words. Our action also should be motivated by the spirit of thankfulness. Gratitude means thankfulness counting our blessings, noticing simple pleasures, and acknowledging everything that we receive. It means learning to live our life as if everything was a miracle. In addition, psychological research shows expressing gratitude helps us in a number of ways. Giving thanks makes people happier. It strengthens relationship, it improves health, and it reduces stress. Lamartine, French poet and politician, relates the following incident. He was taking a walk when he heard a stonecutter say thanks at each hammer stroke. He looked around to see if someone else was near the worker, but there was no one anywhere there. The poet slowly approached the stonecutter and asked, "My dear friend, whom are you thanking?" "God," he replied. The poet was amazed. He said, "Had you been wealthy, I would think it only natural for you to thank God. But God thought of you only once when He made you. He then gave you a hammer and has not thought of you anymore." Soon came the meaningful answer from the worker. "That is nothing to be worried of. Just imagine God actually gave this poor stonecutter a thought. Thanks, God, thanks." Then he kept on cutting stones. Gratitude. So, dear student, so what is the moral of story? When we receive gift from someone, no matter however small it may be, remember the love behind and don't judge the gift with its appearance. Have a deep sense of gratitude for whatever we receive in life, in whatever form it may be. So, dear students, I hope you understand what is meant by gratitude. So, dear students, I hope you understand this lesson number 13, the value of gratitude. I hope you understand concept of gratitude. Still, you have to learn this lesson one time again and understand yourself. Thank you.